In this video, we're going to go through how to run a meet with multiple platforms. Each platform that we make is going to be its own quote-unquote meet, and then we'll have our master meet, which will merge everything at the end, or really after each round, into that master meet. So first step is we got to build each platform. So we're going to press new, and we're going to say platform 1. We'll do a 3-platform meet in this tutorial. Now we want to manually put our lifter numbers in because we're importing it from our Excel document. So we're going to uncheck that. And then we're going to say platform 2. We're going to press an A, uncheck, okay. And then platform 3, A, and we're going to uncheck that as well. Done. So we've got our 3 platforms here. Now we've got to create the boys and girls divisions on each platform because we're going to have a mix of boys and girls going in that same flight. Now you can create flights in here, as many or as little as you want to, but we're going to have one flight in this particular meet. So we're going to go new, and we're going to say we want a boys division in this first platform, and we're going to enter all lift attempts because this is going to be on the platform. So we're going to press OK. We're going to go girls. Enter all lifts. Okay, so that one's done. We're going to go boys, enter all attempts. Done. Girls, enter all attempts. Done. Enter all attempts. And then boys and girls, enter all attempts. All right. So we've got boys and girls on each platform. Perfect. So next step is we're going to import all the lifters and the schools. We can manually enter the schools, but you'd have to do that for each one. I would just say let's just do it all through the Excel document. If you need tutorials on how to import lifters on our other playlist, on the basic navigation of PowerScore playlist, that's all there if you want to go check that out. But if you feel comfortable, we're just going to move on. So I'm going to go to import lifters. And we're going to go ahead and do this platform 1 of the boys first. Meet registration format. And so we get this blank slate. And now I've got my Excel document with all of our lifters and all of our entries and openers right here. Now, I went ahead and already did this, but we're running 3 platforms. So we're going to split it up by weight class. So 114 through 165 is going to be on platform 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and want to copy this. And I'm going to put all these lifters and their openers on platform 1. Okay, that's done. And that's the boys. Let's just do all the boys first, and then we'll move on to the girls since we have the Excel sheet open. So platform 2, we're going to have, let's go ahead and do 181s through, I just do all 181s on that platform. Be a really fast flight, but just for demonstration, we'll go for it. So we're going to go here, we're going to copy this. So platform 2 on the boys is going to be 181s, meet registration. We're going to paste all our 181s in there. Done. Done. Okay. And then on platform 3, we are going to have our 198 and 220 lifters. We're going to copy those lifters. We're going to go to import lifters, and we're going to paste them into the table. And that is done. Perfect. So boys is done. We've got all of our platforms all set, right? And now we're going to go and do our girls. All right, so I'm going to go to girls, and let's go ahead and split this up as 97 and 148. So we'll be on platform 1. Copy that, import, and we're going to paste the lifters into the table, and that is done. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to go to platform 2, our girls, and we're going to go ahead and import the next set of lifters we've got. And we're going to do, let's go 165 through 198 on this platform. All right, done. And then we're going to go to platform 3. And we're going to import the last set, which will be our 220s through 259 weight class. We're going to copy this, and we're going to paste them into the table. Now your flights, if you only have 4 or 5 lifters, you probably want to combine it. You could probably run this meet on 2 platforms, but we're showing you how to do a 3 platform meet because this would be a really, really fast flight. But either way, so we got them in. We're going to copy the power score. Done. So I have got all of my platforms set up. Platform 1, platform 2, platform 3 on the boys. Same thing in my girls. I've got platform 1 set up, 2, and 3. Okay, so next step is we want to create our master one. The master one's going to stay on this computer. These 3 are going to end up on the other computers. We're going to create the master one now. So now, this part's the easy part. We're going to go ahead and do NMAA test meet. And I'm going to put master just so I know that this is the correct one. I don't have to put that because I should know that NMAA test meet is the correct one, but just in case. Location NMAA. And we're going to uncheck this because we're importing everything from our Excel sheet. So now we've got this. Now here's the trick to the master's sheet. We don't want to enter all lift attempts. We're just putting in their best attempt. All right. So we're going to leave this box unchecked. I'm going to go to OK. And then I'm going to enter the girls division in. And same thing, leaving that one unchecked. Okay, so I've got my boys and girls blank. And now this is why this Excel sheet's really handy. Now, instead of separating it out, I'm just going to copy everybody into this. Okay. Now, we don't want their openers in here. We just want their lifter number, their school, and their projected weight classes. So I'm going to leave the openers out. I'm going to copy this into the boys, and we're going to import our lifters. So this is all of our boys in that meet. And we're going to copy. Perfect. So that boys are done. And our teams are auto-populating, which is great. We don't have to manually put those in. And then we've got our girls. We're going to import. Now remember, we only want lifter numbers and school and projected weight class. Obviously their name. So we're going to copy that. We're going to import the girls in here. Paste lifters. And we're going to copy in a power score. Done. So we have just built the full meet into each platform. And we've got our master sheet and we are ready to go. This is the back end. Then the next few videos we'll go through how to export these into the individual platforms and then how to enter your final results into your master sheet and export them. So stay tuned.